I really like this hair. I love this. This is gonna be my errands wig, my throw-on wig when I don't feel like doing nothing to my hair. Super versatile, super pretty. As you already see by the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed 7x5 pre-bleached, pre-plucked Yaki straight wig from Nadula Hair Company. Major shout out to them for sponsoring this video. This hair was so lovely and so natural looking, and it was also very soft. Like, this is going to be my little go-to wig. To put the icing on the cake, it came literally done for me. I didn't have to do anything to it, and it's also completely glueless, so I love that about this wig. But yes, let's go ahead and get into the install because it is super tea. Alright, so onto the packaging, onto the specs of this wig. This is their upgraded 7x5 lace, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut Yaki straight lace wig. So it's updated to have an elastic string in the back so that it will adhere to any head size or shape. This is straight out of the box. That's literally perfect. You see those knots, nice and bleached for you. This is the back construction of the wig, and here is the drawstring. This is a game changer, especially for those who have issues with wigs fitting. I loved how it made the wig fit super snug on my head. I knew it wasn't going anywhere. Wig construction was very nice, and yes, I really liked it. Everything felt nice and smooth and breathable. Moving on into the install, I'm going to take one of those HD wig caps and I'm going to put it on my head. I decided not to do a ball cap method just because I felt it wasn't necessary. So I just put the wig cap on, slid it back just to protect my hairline. And my Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the shade 10 and 12. I'm going to mix those in together. I'm going to apply that makeup to the entire wig cap just to make it blend in with my skin. So even though the wig comes already pretty nice, I'm going to try the wig on first to see what it's giving, and just to make it a perfect mix, I'm going to add some makeup to it. But it looked really good straight out of the box, and this literally looks like natural relaxed hair. It's crazy. So I went in with the same makeup and I just applied that all over the wig, and this is just going to make it melt even more seamlessly with my skin tone, just to make it perfect, because the lace is cute, but you do want to make it a little more tailored to you. And as you see, it looks way more blended with my skin. Now we're gonna get to flatten this wig. Using my Shears Bond Wax Stick, I'm gonna apply this all over the wig, flatten it out, and I'm also gonna go in with my hot comb until I get it as flat as possible, because we want this wig to be nice, flat, and natural. We don't wear no big wigs over here, so we're gonna make this nice and flat, bust it on down, make it look real nice. Y'all, that drawstring had this wig on my head. It literally was not budging at all. This was like, what? I never had a wig fit like this. But I was still going in and flattening it out because I'm a perfectionist when it comes to my hair, and I love my hair to be flat. Y'all see this side versus the other side? You see the difference? Right. Now I want to go in with my flat iron to make it even more straight. Keep in mind, this is Yaki hair, so it resembles black natural hair. It's not going to be super duper perfect and like bone silky straight, but it's going to be like more of like a natural straight. Think fresh relaxer, fresh perm as y'all would say, but fresh relaxer type vibes. That's exactly what this hair is giving, and it's super versatile. As you see, there's plenty of parting space. You could even pull off a side part with this. I wanted to just wear it in the middle part, but there's so many different styles that you can do with this wig very nicely. Towards the end, my favorite thing to do is to blunt cut those edges. It just gives the perfect look to me. So I'm just going in with my shears and just cutting straight across and giving myself slight face firming layers. Not too much, but just a little bit. I feel like that makes all the difference in the finished product, giving that salon quality finish. Then I'm gonna go in and curve those ends in. real tea, real cute. And yes, y'all, this was the finished product. I really like this hair. I love this. This is gonna be my errands wig, my throw-on wig when I don't feel like doing nothing to my hair. Super versatile, super pretty. I want to see this with some crimps. I feel like this would look so nice all crimped up. And like I said, there's other styles you can do with it, but personally I just wanted a bust down. I felt like that was fire. So yes, major shout out to Nadula for sponsoring this video. If you like what you've seen, please like, comment, subscribe. All links and specs will be in the description box below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Nadula.